Alright, look at the camera in 3, 2, 1. Smile. Alright, one more shot in 3, 2, 1. Smile.
Smile, no serious, smile. Seryoso, sila seryoso ba? Happy birthday to you.
Game start. Kissy face, said to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Say tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
The Bluetooth is disconnected. The Bluetooth is connected.
Alright, may request everyone to please stand up. Kakantahan po natin si Kai ng Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, mas malakas pa! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, birthday wish po muna mommy and daddy for now.
Birthday wish para kay Kai. Magpakabait ka.
Si daddy naman po.
Sana matupad yung ay kaya.
Si ate.
The same na.
Like, my wish for him is to grow and be happy when he get older. And always siya sana maging good boy and respectful. And I hope he achieve all those dreams when he gets older. Yun lang.
Alright, Kai, you may now blow your candle. Alright, once again, let us all breathe and shout a happy birthday, Kai, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Kai! Alright, makakaupo na po ang lahat because it's eating time!
Free lunch! I have free lunch! We have free lunch!
Happy birthday to you. Okay naman ka ni Arya.